Okay, some of my students asking, sir, whether it is SR latch or RS latch. Okay, so we can call it as SR latch or RS latch. Whatever the first lecture I uploaded, that I named as SR. That is SR NAND, non-gated latch. So here, to clarify you, I taken as RS, non-gated NAND latch. Okay, now we'll see the difference between the two SR and RS. Okay, suppose here first condition I taken like RS, so both input 0 0, here we get invalid. Even when I take SR also, therefore 0 0 we got invalid. Okay, then coming to second condition. In second condition there I did two cases, here also I did two cases to get a stable out. Okay, so here if you observe carefully this first condition, wherever I kept yes, straight to that I kept Q. Wherever I kept R, straight to that I kept Q bar. But in first lecture, S is on top and Q also on the top. Okay, here and there also, wherever S is there, that straight to that you have to keep Q. Okay, that you can remember. Okay, we are interchanging inputs, so you can you have to interchange outputs also. Okay, that you have to remember. Now, second condition, first case, here I am giving R0 S1. Okay, I will take first condition output as feedback, then I will get to 1 0 Q bar 1 Q 0. Then to know the stable output again, I will apply 0 1 S0 R1 and I will feedback this case 1 outputs, then I am getting stable output. So it means when I apply R equal to 0, S equal to 1, what I am getting? Q 0. Okay, Q 0. So there also in the first lecture in SR, when I take S equal to 1, R equal to 0, what I got? Reset. Q 0. Here also I got same, na? Okay? Right. So, one thing we have to observe, one shortcut. So, when both inputs are different means S equal to 0, R equal to 1, R equal to 0, S equal to 1. Whether it is a SR latch or RS latch, whatever the R value, that will come to the Q. Whatever the R value, that will come to the Q. But this condition applicable whenever both inputs are different. Okay, right. Next condition, third condition, when R equal to 1, S equal to 0. Here I taken three cases to know the stable output. So here also you can observe, whenever S equal to 0, R equal to 1, we are getting set. In SR also we get set now, when S equal to 0, R equal to 1. And here also you can observe, inputs are different and you whatever R value, that only coming to the Q. Okay, right. So finally last condition, when both inputs are 1 1, I taken two cases to know the stable output. This is the second case. So whatever the third condition final output, stable output 0 1, that only I am getting in fourth condition second case. So this is called hold. Okay, so this is the explanation about SR and RS. So before seeing this lecture, you have to see first lecture, SR non-gated NAND latch. Then only you can understand this properly. Okay, so in that lecture also see, when inputs are different, whatever the R value, when inputs are different, so this is the condition to final case. When inputs are different, whatever the R value, that only coming to the Q. Okay, so here also straight to yes, there is Q. You have to write like that. So in condition 3, this is the final case. Whatever the R value, that is coming to the Q. Here also yes, and straight to that Q. Okay, right.